Welcome to the Beast Cars, the ultimate destination for speed, style, and power. Imagine waking up to mountain air, sunlight pouring through wide windows, and the freedom to go anywhere without packing or unpacking a thing. That's the promise of the 2026 Malibu Genius 641 LE, a camping van that doesn't just take you places, it becomes part of the journey itself. This isn't just transportation, it's a carefully engineered space designed to let you live, explore, and disconnect from limits while staying wrapped in comfort and intelligent design. At first glance, the Malibu Genius 641 LE feels calm, confident, and purposeful. Its sleek proportions and clean exterior lines don't shout for attention, yet they quietly suggest something special is happening beneath the surface. The streamlined profile improves efficiency and stability, while the balanced stance gives the van a planted, road-ready presence. Large windows stretch along the sides, not just to look good, but to pull the outside world in. Mountains, forests, coastlines, and city lights all become part of your living space. Wide rear doors and a smooth sliding side door make loading bikes, gear, or supplies effortless, while optional features like solar panels, roof racks, and exterior lighting transform this van into a true off-grid companion, ready for long adventures. Step inside and the Genius 641 LE immediately surprises you. What you expect to feel compact suddenly feels open, bright, and thoughtfully arranged. Malibu's intelligent design philosophy becomes obvious the moment you enter. Every surface, every compartment, every transition has a purpose. The front seats are comfortable and supportive for long drives, but once you're parked, they swivel seamlessly to become part of the living area, instantly expanding the usable space. The cockpit feels modern and intuitive, with a clean digital display, user-friendly infotainment system, and easy smartphone connectivity that makes navigation and entertainment effortless. Storage areas around the dashboard keep essentials within reach, creating a sense of order that's crucial when the road becomes your home. The heart of the Malibu Genius 641 LE is its living space, and this is where the van truly earns its name. During the day, it's a comfortable lounge, a place to eat, work, relax, or simply enjoy the view through the panoramic windows. Natural light floods the interior, making the space feel far larger than it actually is. As evening approaches, the transformation begins. With smooth, simple movements, the seating area converts into a sleeping setup featuring a high-quality mattress designed for real rest, not just overnight survival. Privacy shades and blackout curtains slide into place, turning the van into a peaceful retreat where the outside world fades away. The kitchen area proves that compact doesn't mean compromised. Everything here is placed exactly where you need it. A well-sized sink connects to fresh and gray water tanks, while the cooktop allows you to prepare real meals rather than quick snacks. The refrigerator keeps supplies fresh for longer trips, and cleverly designed cabinets store utensils, cookware, and food without cluttering the space. Extendable countertops add extra prep room when needed, then disappear when you're done. Subtle LED lighting ensures the space stays bright and welcoming, even when cooking after sunset, and proper ventilation keeps the interior fresh no matter where you're parked. Sleeping comfort is treated as a priority, not an afterthought. The raised roof design provides generous headroom, allowing you to sit up comfortably in bed without feeling boxed in. Windows and vents create excellent airflow, helping regulate temperature naturally and making nights more restful. Beneath the bed, generous storage space is ready for luggage, outdoor gear, or bulky equipment, keeping the main living area clean and organized, a crucial detail for longer journeys. What truly sets the Malibu Genius 641 LE apart is its independence. This van is built to support life beyond campsites. Auxiliary batteries and available solar panels provide reliable off-grid power, keeping lights, fans, and devices running without hookups. Efficient insulation and climate systems ensure comfort whether you're parked in cold alpine regions or warm desert landscapes. USB ports and power outlets are thoughtfully placed throughout the cabin, supporting a connected lifestyle even in the middle of nowhere. On the road, the driving experience feels surprisingly easy and refined.